Welcome to my box breaks again. This time we are actually doing baseball here, and normally we do a lot of football and basketball. Check out my my eBay bids here. Swell Bluey. I do have a lot of box breaks that you can buy into there. But today this box is actually brought to you by TeamBoxBreak.com. They do a lot of box breaks that you can buy into, and it's actually a lot of fun, and they do offer free boxes which they do draw at the end of their box breaks. So this is the one that I got actually in the free drawing. So let's open this up real quick. Let's see what we can do fast here. Alright, this is a 2010 Bowman Chrome. Alright, and here we are, right here. And we'll start from the top here. We'll do this real quick. Alright, we have Justin Morneau, Chrome, and Billy Butler, Solo Almond. Alright, and this is blue. This blue Billy Butler is 350 out of 150 here. That's nice. I just want to see if all these are on the number. Alright. Some cards are a little kind of bent there. But we have Alfonso Soriano, Chrome. USA Baseball, Dylan Maples, Nunez, Vizcaíno. Alright, we have checklist, and then we have Rick Porcello. We have a Josh Lindblom, Tops 100. That's number 475 out of 999. There you go. And then James Darnell, Nathan Adcock. Alright. And this box guarantees one auto chrome. Jason Kubo, Mike Stin, is that number? No. Alright. Hernandez, Marenes. Alright, Troy Tulowitzki, nice. Carlos Santana, rookie card, Chrome, that's cool. Kyle Seager, Carlos Puguera. Alright, Bobby Abreu, Dan Heron, Brad Correll, Jonathan Viller. Aaron Hill, Christian Lopez, USA, Lobanov, Baez, Pedro Baez, I guess. These are difficult to open. Alright. Nelson Cruz, Adam Lind, Ozzie Martinez, Max Walla. Checklist, Francisco Loriano, and we have a dual USA autograph. That's Albert Almora and Brian Reguera. That's pretty cool. Nice. And that is 265 of 500. Nice. It's pretty cool. I like it. Autographs. Salvador Perez and this guy. Can't pronounce his last name. Alright. Alright, so we're halfway through, but we already have our autograph here. Rookie card, Keila Koau, Andre Ether, Chris Masters, Trevor Reckling, Cliff Lee, Blake Swearhart, Drew Cumberland, Max Kepler, Jason Bay, Brett Anderson, Anthony Best, Tommy Pham. And we have Jacoby Ellsbury, and we have a Jared Weaver, and then we have a Kevin Hensley, and then we have a Buck Effner. More packs go. John Lester, Don Ugla, and ooh, is this another circuit autograph? Did we get two? It's Liam Hendriks. Nice. 26 out of 500. Alright. Alright, Jared Jurgens, AJ Venegas, Jimmy Paredes, and Brendan Short. More packs. Maybe we'll get three. Who's that? Oops. Bad there. Let's knock the camera over here. Don't know my own strength. Alright. Kevin Slowly, Scott Rowland, James Darnell, Nathan Adcock. There we go. Hanley Ramirez, Drew Butera, rookie, and Nicholas Hernandez, Jan Martin Arenas, and last one we have Carl Crawford, Derek Holland, Chris Masters, and Trevor Reckling. Nice, not bad for a free box here. Two autographs. We have Liam Hendriks from the Twins, 26 to 500. Nice on-card auto there. And then we have these two, which are, I guess they're stickers, but they look on card. It's Albert Almora and Brian Reguera. Alright, and that is 265 500. Alright, thanks for coming here, and then I still need to break that certified here. Basketball totally certified, and we'll get that probably later tonight. Alright.